So Black World, we just the supermarket, just forward back, stock up some water. Yeah, we just bringing the grocery right now. Me about to go cook. I'm not sure when I go cook it, but I go deal with some cookings right now. You know what I mean?
Yo, special delivery.
Special delivery.
Amazon delivery. Yo, fuck.
Everything that come out like here? Over there, sir. We're about to finish and pack the grocery right now, and then a cooking time. So right now, people, we're in the kitchen. We don't know me. I cut up the carrots and thing. You know, we're about to make some fish tea.
What?
And no man can't wire me for that.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Oh, no, the kid is a bad doctor.
You know what I mean? So we here. When we don't make a need the flour, we have a banana. Oh shit, the fish.
And it's the fish that we caught the other day, guys.
It's a sprat.
And I'm in the kitchen too. Fuck out of here.
Yeah, there's a white water in the kitchen. See me?
I'm in the kitchen. Come here at the water right now. This is some high temperature water. You have to put the stove at 90 degrees per night and thing.
Oh, that looks so smart, Ricky.
Yeah.
Oh, the flour will go.
Can you see black?
I want to put carrot and everything in here. I want to be love and vegetables.
No, carrot.
Carrot good for your eyesight. I don't feel.
What fish are you?
Once a carrot don't do nothing like carrot not good for your eyesight.
Why are you hiding?
We'll be right back. Commercial break. So people right now, you don't know say super bubble right now. Super bubble right now, so we're just there. Ricky run this consume film.
But then for my lunch break.
Lunch break, you know what I mean? And we're there. Mine there, so. Mine is right there. You don't know, we'd have to take a picture for Instagram.
Yeah man, bad. So Bubba over there are drinking soup.
I want to go swimming.
So Bubba drinking tea.
Bring one to it.
Shit. I want to go swimming.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Don't know, so we're there. Ricky just forward. Chabas and Ricky, them about to go one dog park right now.
You see that in the head? You see that in the head? Me and I here too.
Chabas just bring it to no attention. Me I dye up a beard, the eyebrow, and everything.
I'm gonna dye mine gold. Everything.
Gold. Where's...
Oh my god.
Who is this? Go down. Fat and heavy, like, watch it. Blue and in girl. Everybody, that's Blue girlfriend. I mean, right now, they have a play date. We are watching them called Blue Road. The Blue is very rude, so we have to there and watch it. Blue! Shabas and Ricky want to go to the dog park right now, so we just gonna go with them and see what can go on. See, me can teeth a little puppy, like a chihuahua, you know? So I can go on. Me have to go forward back, come cook. Right now, me hungry again, soup gone. I'm not sure what we are cook yet, but I gotta finish something, you know? So ladies and gents, right now reach the dog park. See Blue there?
Guy.
You know we're there. Shabas right there, Ricky right there. We're just there, you know?
So vlog girl, me just reach home back from the dog park and thing. Bubba right there in the kitchen, about to chef up some
white rice with bully beef. I'm gonna cut up some sausage in it. Season them cut up already, but you don't know this is going to the bully beef. Right now, done cook, consume the food already. Right now, my belly full. Me tired, I want to sleep. Me I talk to you right now, and it's like me I rock back and forth, want to drop. First I go walk blue for night, and then bedtime, right?
People right now more and try catch candy.
Who are you that frightening?
I'm not, I don't know.
No, you let me waste my footage.
Oh shit. Oh, she was recording.
Yo, me that put paintball in and shoot him really.
Why? That's crazy.
I talks. People, it was a fail.
It's a moron! Ginger!
Dress up for nothing, people. For nothing.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. It's a wonderful day. Our next vlog. Everybody wake up and they downstairs right now. Chill. Boba, come here. Famous, come here. Alright. When we come back, everybody wake up. Watch out. Today I'm going to paintball game. You know. We soon paintball too. Can I see someone and say,
Me hot.
when we are going to paintball, we soon paintball again and thing. Just a wait for drop some work first and thing. So yeah guys, enjoy the day.
Right now I'm there. I'm about to do some laundry right now and just get back to your regular scheduling, you know. What if people don't know for the laundry, you know. But I got teach you, but me can't teach you everything. But make sure you separate the whites from the colored. Okay? Only can use bleach for the colored clothes. You just have to be colored bleach. Okay?